Hey, Bruno here. This is my main channel, Bruno Troop, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, guess what I'm doing today? Like everybody does now, these days, I'm rating EAS alarms. So this is the US EAS alarm. So that is an average alarm. So fight here. I got a pretty special challenge. So I gotta draw them, not like every single other tier list. Our Nemo already did a video pretty similar to this. He didn't draw the flags. He just put them simply. So I'm not verified, so this video, I think it's just going to be 15 minutes. I think it's going to be too long, so I might need a part 2. Let's also add some couple of... Won't see me because... my Samsung E2121 now is sounding. I was using the one. So here I'm back. I still doing the project. So look at this. There we go. So this and this is a Canadian EAS alarm. If you hear that sound, you're already pretty dead, so 9 tier. Remember, I gotta draw these, so I'm not I don't have a pretty good scale of drawing, so, and this is the Australian EAS alarm. If you also hear that sound, you're also pretty dead. So here we go, 10 tier. That scared me out of the freak. It's a pretty normal EAS alarm. Let's move on into New Zealand. Sorry, I just played a little bit. And so now let's go to New Zealand. That also scared me out of the freak, so I think this will also be shaped. So let's also add the silver leaf. Yeah. So I'm drawing the 2015 New Zealand flag. I gotta put this more vibrant blue. And let's move on to Japan. I played a little bit of the game. So Japan sounds pretty weird. Japan didn't scare me, so 0 tier. That didn't scare me at all. Very disappointed. Let's move on to UK. It's just the starting of the US alarm, but just without the 3 weird sounds. So right now we gotta draw it. UK is a very simplistic alarm. Average tier. It's 5 tier. So we gotta put it in 5 tier. I don't know why do I have this. Let's move on to the one of Israel. Just one. It sounds like Siren Head, pretty much. It pretty much sounds like Siren Head, and Siren Head doesn't so average tier. I don't know why he keeps zooming in. I need to draw everything by myself. So it's not like the other ones. So I have a pretty bad skill at drawing. So let's draw this Israel flag and see if I can. It needs to be very small. You're gonna add little dots of white in there. Big dot. Let's move on to the second Israel one. Sounds like a normal siren, and that also scared me out of the freak. So 10 tier. To copy the same thing that I did with the average one. So now let's move on to Iran. It sounds like a racing car. And racing cars their sound is not scary. So 0 tier. I think that's more like this screen. but I fill it with the green that I want. And now I just want white. There we go. And let's move on with France. France is just a rating of how scary they are. So here, that is, and not, it sounds pretty much like a microwave. It sounds like a bunch of censored swear words. That's not family friendly at all. So 2 tier. Oh, the E2121L is sounding again. So I gotta bring it back. I will also put some weird ones on my tier list. I think this is over than 15 minutes already. 12 minutes. We're super close, so let's report.